How can you determine whether a source is reliable? A good way to determine reliability is to use the CRAP test. C-R-A-A-P. The letters stand for currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose. Currency refers to how current or up-to-date the information is. For example, you wouldn't write an essay about gay marriage by reading only articles written before the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to legalize same-sex marriage. Relevance refers to whether the article deals with the specific subject matter within the scope of your research question. For example, if you are writing an essay on whether violent media cause violent behavior, an article about how gun control curbs gun violence probably wouldn't help advance your argument. Authority refers to the source of the information and its reputation. The New York Times is a reliable source. Wikipedia is not. If you go to WebMD and see that the symptoms of cancer include headaches, do not start drafting your will. Authority also encompasses the credentials of the person writing the source. Is this person a journalist? Do they have a PhD in the field they are writing about? Have they published other works on this subject? And are those works cited widely? Accuracy refers to the truth of the information itself, as well as the aspects such as spelling and grammar. If you're not sure whether a source or a particular fact is accurate, you can try to find the same information in another source. If you are not sure whether The Guardian is a reliable source, you can compare an article from that source with one on the same subject from the New York Times. You can also look for the author of the article. See whether a biography is provided. Is the article careful about attributing information? About telling us exactly where each piece of information came from? How does the article assess the reliability of sources it uses? Does it share this process with readers? Purpose refers to the reason the article was created. A purpose typically falls into one or more of three categories. It may inform, persuade, or explain. An editorial where an author is explicitly discussing their own opinion cannot be read the same way as an article from the front page.